Lift heavy shit!
Come on, Joe, get it. 135 for 20 reps. Birthday dads. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Can't let go of the bar. Yeah. 9. Come on. 10. 11. Come on, 9 more. 12. 13. Come on. Come on, you got 7 more.
Get it. Get it faster than me. How fast did I get it? 4 minutes and 1 second?
4 minute 31.
How much does he have?
A minute 9.
Minute 9, get it.
Come on. You got 7 more. 14.
There you go, get it.
15.
Get it. How would you?
16.
How would you?
17. 18.
Get that shit.
19. Last one, you gotta hold it for 5 seconds. 20. Yeah.
He didn't really let it touch the ground at all.
Yeah, most of the time he had it
He
in
was
the air
holding
still.
it pretty much the entire time.
I
Yeah.
stopped twice.
Your hair looks funky.
I stopped at rep 8, rep 13.
A decent amount of blood coming out of my nose.
Good.
I know, I'm pretty sure last time we did it in general, I'm pretty sure you were there.
I was there. Oh yeah.
I saw last time we did it in general. Yeah.
Okay, Joseph. I think they're front squats. I can go look at the old videos.
Yeah, we did front squats anyway.
Okay, Joseph, get it. Gotta get 21 reps.
What? 20.
Okay, fine, 20. And you gotta hold it for 5 seconds at the last one. Okay, go.
1,
1,
2.
2. What are you doing?
Yeah, just a little bit.
3, 4, 5,
A little bit over. There you go. 6.
6,
Get it.
7,
8.
8. Come on.
Fucking hard.
12 more.
It's only a plate too.
Come on, 12 more.
Up.
9. Come on.
Up.
10. Come on, get it, Joseph. Got 10 more.
Up.
11.
Up.
12. Come on, get it.
Up.
13.
Up.
14.
Right, a little bit. Feel the movement. Up.
15. Come on, 5 more. Come on.
Come on, man. 5 more. Push through it. Up. 4 more. You got it. Up.
3 more. Come on, get it. 2 more. Come on, get it. Push.
Come on, man. Get it. Push for it.
Come on.
Up.
Come on. One more. One more.
One more, man. Come on.
Get it.
Up.
Oh. Shit. Oh, damn. Oh,
I
dude.
haven't seen anybody come close to crying like that before.
Like, since weights class, my last year of high school, or weights class with you.
How do you feel now?
Pretty
good.
Feel pretty good?
That should be another quote of it. It's fucked up.
I'm pretty good.
Every time we lift heavy shit, we get fucked up. Oh shit. To let you guys know, we're not actually fucked up.
Yeah, we're
Fucked up from squats, adrenaline. That's what we're fucked up on.
we're drunk on that fucking good. We're drunk on that pre-workout.
It's time for leg press, right?
What do we say, Joe?
Lift heavy shit.
Yeah, dude. Lift heavy shit. Come on, Joe. You got this for 20 reps.
What if I did this? It just
Breaks his fucking arms.
that'd be messed up.
You know, Logan, I bet you if we didn't cuss that much in these videos, I would actually have a lot more views because YouTube's system would probably suggest these videos a lot more. But we cuss fucking way too much. Fucking. I don't care though. Come on, Joser, get it. Birthday bench of 20. 1. Come on, speed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more. 16, 17, 18. Come on. 19. Woo. 1 more.
Through it. Push through it.
20. How do you feel, sir?
Fine.
Fine. Okay.
Can't fuck with us. You can do no